Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you how to replace the bushings of the rear rear stabilizer bar. It's very easy to do it. As the bushing car is moving, when it's moving it's very bad knocking on the small hollows on the road. It's very easy to replace it. The two bolts have to unscrew. Then put the new bushings and that's it. Now before put the new bushings you have to grease it with and normally put soap water. Just spray it and easier to fit the cover over it, the metal cover. Thank you for visiting our channel. That one is a Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one that we have it's a Peter's Garage. Thank you.